Kinakain ng aming baby.
Who told you to find?
Ang cute niya.
Look, this too.
Bala? Maxie! Maxie? Gago ka. Really kinking ha? You too. Making drama.
No, she's. You know how she do? She look at first. She look at first. She do like this, you know? Come, like that. Yeah. And after that, look. Okay. You do that.
Finish your food, mama. Finish your food,
Okay.
my baby. Bakit naman yung puwit mo dito? Kinukunan kita eh. Where you go? Go there. Nakain ng dinner ang aming baby kulit.
See, that's big. Not good. That's why I said give her the soft ones. That chicken cubes very soft. This one is too tough still for them. It's baby tooth. Same like you. They